Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. Today I am going to show you that how you can convert an image file which is scanned into an Excel table using ChatGPT. If you do this work manually, it will take a lot of time, minimum 30 minutes maybe. So let me do it using ChatGPT. Click on plus icon, then add photos and files, then locate your file like it is on desktop and this is the name. So it is taking some time to upload this file into ChatGPT. In the meantime, you can write your code here or script here, which ChatGPT can use. Please convert this image into an Excel table. Okay, now send this chat. It will take some time loading this data. Okay, it is creating two responses, so you can choose which one suits you. Okay, here it has added all details, while in this I only need tables, so I will prefer this response. You can check, and this I prefer this response. Okay, you can see that the total is also same and the amounts are also there. So I will copy this table into an Excel file and let me check if this I can directly use. Okay, perfect. You can see uh, there are number of column and the same data which would take almost 30 minutes and it has done this job in few seconds. So ChatGPT can change your life doing things faster, especially for Excel users. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.